So Sora 2 is going absolutely viral right now, and for good reason, because people are making full-on ad campaigns, memes, movies, and even entire cartoon episodes in HD. But there are two main problems. You're going to need an invite code to access it, and of course, whenever you generate a video, you're going to get that dreaded watermark that nobody wants. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use it without an invite code, all the crazy things you can generate with it, and of course the best place to use it with 1080p videos and no watermarks. Now there's also a brand new prompting method that you can use to create the perfect prompts with incredible precision, and I'm going to share a little bit on that later in this video, so stay tuned for that. Now as of a few hours ago, Higgsfield just released Sora 2, and currently it's unlimited, meaning you can create as many videos as you want without using any of your credits. Now to take full advantage of the unlimited uses, you're going to need the Ultimate or Creator plan, but if you are on any of the other plans, you can still use Sora 2, but it's just going to count towards your credits. Now the crazy part is Sora 2 can generate cinematic level videos in 1080p with synchronized audio, meaning your dialogue, music, and sound effects are all going to be baked in to your video. And unlike with OpenAI's native Sora, Higgsfield actually supports image to video, giving you way more creative control. And the added bonus is Higgsfield is also including exclusive Sora presets, so you can now make videos like these in minutes. Now, before jumping into it all, if you are new to AI and want to actually learn how to use all the best tools to create content for yourself or your brand, or you just want to stay ahead of the curve, then be sure to check out my AI community down below. But with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So to start using Sora 2 without an invite code, you want to head over to higgsfield.ai. We'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Now once you're on the homepage, you'll see this nice big Sora 2 button. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see it, then you can just hover under video, then click on Sora 2, and it will bring you back to this page. Now after that, you can start generating your videos pretty much instantly. So I'm going to quickly walk you through the interface so you know exactly what you're doing. Now before doing anything, I always recommend that you choose your desired model. So here you have Sora 2, but then you also have Sora 2 Pro. Now the main difference between both of them is pretty much the resolution. So Sora 2 Pro will give you up to 1080p, but Sora 2 Pro also adds multi-scene reasoning as well as advanced narrative coherence. And we're going to touch upon that a little bit with the secret prompting method that I told you at the start of this video. Now of course, Sora 2 Pro will also cost more credits. As you can see here, it's bumped it up to 30 instead of 10. However, if you are on the creator or unlimited plan, you will see this new toggle button which gives you unlimited mode. And unlimited mode means you're going to get free generations every single time you generate a video inside of Sora, whether it's Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro. Now, you also have the option to generate 4-second videos, 8 seconds, and 12 seconds. And like I said, you have your resolution options here, and you can finally also change your aspect ratio. So if you wanted 9:16, you can do that right here. Now when it comes to generating your videos, you have a few different options. The first one is just starting off with a simple prompt. Now the beauty of Sora 2 is you do not need to know any detailed prompting skills. For example, if we just put in create a cinematic Porsche ad and hit generate, it's going to give us a video that looks like this.
The new Porsche 911 GTS, a sports car with nothing left to prove.
Now the next option is you can upload an image, and currently at the time of recording this video you can't upload any human faces, but as you can see here you can upload any copyright-free characters, products, or other objects. So if you have your own products, this is perfect for you because now you can create some commercials with your products using Sora 2. Now the next method is using Higgsfield's own presets. So if you click up here, you'll see that you'll then have a few different options. Now at the time of recording this video, the presets haven't released, but they're telling me this is going to be up in a few hours. But just to give you an idea, if we click on the Cling presets, you can see we have all of these other presets that we can go ahead and select. Same thing with 1.2.5, we have a bunch of different presets that you can select. So it's going to be the exact same concept where you'll have all of these predefined presets. You can just add your image or a quick prompt of what you want to happen, and then it's going to take both of those, either the image and the prompt, and then the preset, and then it's going to combine that into a master video. So it kind of takes the whole guessing work out of it. You know exactly what you're going to get, which is amazing because this is exclusively on Higgsfield. Now, for this secret prompting method I spoke about at the start of this video, this is a new method that Sirio is calling timeline prompting, and it is incredibly sparse. It's basically very similar to JSON prompting inside of Google VO, but you just describe exactly what you want in as much detail as possible. So for example, within the first 3 seconds, you could want this to happen, but you'll also notice he's using stuff like voiceovers and sound effects, and this is because Sora 2 actually has some special parameters that you can give it to follow the prompt exactly. Now on screen, I'm going to leave a few different parameters that you can play around with, but you have stuff like a structure overview, as well as timeline tags, audio tags, sound tags, emotional tags, and camera tags, which work extremely well with Sora 2 Pro. And here's another example of this method being used, and as you can see, it's doing exactly as what you've described inside of that prompt, which is absolutely crazy. So now you've got an overview of how Sora 2 works, you can just go ahead and start creating. You can go as simple as you want and create videos like these, or if you want some more advanced detailed prompts to really zone in on the video you want to create, then you can use this timeline prompting method. Now, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, then do consider liking the video and subscribing for more awesome AI updates just like this. And again, if you want to learn how to master all the best AI tools, then be sure to check out my AI community down below. I'll see you in the next one.